It appears I'm way overdue for a wiper blade replacement. Let's replace them out. Alright, so this job is extremely easy. All you'll need are the two replacement blades, flathead screwdriver, and as a precaution, something to prevent the spring-loaded arm from smashing into your windshield. When it comes to the blades themselves, for about a decade now, my go-to front wiper blades have been the Bosch Icons. They do cost more than your average blade, but they streak less, chatter, squeak less, and last noticeably longer than other blades I've used in the past, especially for a car that's in the sun during the day. For the Toyota Corolla hatchback, the blade sizes are 28A for the driver's side, and 13A for the passenger side. I'll put a link of the blades in the description below. Alright, first thing you're going to do is raise up the blade and put something underneath it to prevent it from slamming down into your windshield. Next, you're going to pry open this tab right here. Pull down on the blade itself and then out. Okay, next grab the 28-inch blade, squeeze on these two tabs right here to lift up the cover. And then you're going to slide the hook into the new blade. Make sure it clicks into place and close the cover. Then gently put down the blade. Alright, same deal with the passenger side. Alright, next get your passenger side blade. Squeeze these two tabs, open up the top lid, insert, down, and make sure that you hear the click. Snap the lid down, and gently drop the arm. And that's it. If you happen to like what you see, please consider clicking like, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you.